Okay. Ooh, okay, well, no. Come on, gotta hide. No, not that.
82, 83, 84.
Gotta be quick, come on.
88.
I'm so bad at this game. Need somewhere to hide.
96.
Okay.
99. 100. I'm gonna find you, zebra. I'm gonna hunt you down. Okay, where could you be hiding? Over here? No. Okay.
Oh
No
no.
matter.
He's
I'm
gonna
an
find
expert
me.
in hide and seek. I'm the
Yeah.
hunter. You are the prey.
Oh, he's getting close. I need a better hiding place.
It is in my makeup. I'm a lean, mean mega machine built for the hunt. I will find you. What was that? Did you make a noise, zebra? Perhaps you're down here. This seems like a zebra place to hide. Are you here, zebra? Where are you hiding? I know you're close. A hunter can always sense their prey.
He thinks he's a real tiger.
I can smell you, zebra. I know you're close. I have the keen senses of a big cat. Zebra, where are you, zebra? Come on, this is over. You're finished. You might as well come out now. We can get this over with. Hello? Come out, wherever you are. Zebra. Come on, zebra. Wait a minute.
Whee!
Ah! There you are. I found you.
Oh, no!
Come on, zebra. Where are you going? I found you. You really are bad at this game, zebra. You're supposed to be hiding, not running around.
No! Get back!
Zebra, what's happening? Zebra, stop running away. Zebra, come back. What are you doing?
Oh gosh, oh no! You can't catch me! You can't catch me! Oh!
Zebra, get back.
Get out of
Where
here!
are you going? Zebra, what are you doing? Come on now. This is meant to be hide and seek.
There's no hunting me, tiger. I'm too fast for you.
Zebra, come on. What are you doing? Come on, zebra. Come back and count to
Can't
100.
catch me.
I've got to have a go at hiding too.
You can't catch
Zebra, where are you going?
The building site is home to a number of mega machines. Picking up, moving, and digging, their role is very important. But every now and then, they get sick and they need help. And that's when the robots come in, to make them better and save the day.
What a lovely day outside in the sun. Oh God, having problems. Oh no, there's a lot of problems. This is not good. I'm gonna need some help, gosh darn it.
Let's go help him. Okay, let's go. What a lovely day.
It's getting worse, guys. Guys, please help me. Please help me. Oh no, there's smoke.
Don't worry, we are coming. Time to lay down some speed. Such a lovely day. Which way is it? I'm lost. Jenny, which way is it? I don't know. Gosh dang it, which way is it? Where are we going? Is it this way? You ready? No, I'm stuck. Give me some time. Please wait. Wait for me, please. Oh no. I'm getting there. Give me some time. Yep, I'm coming. I can see you. I'm on my way. Let's do this. He needs our help. Let's get there. Yep, I'm right behind you.
Guys, it's still very broken. I can't do anything.
Don't worry, we're nearly there. Nearly there. Just behind you, buddy.
Guys, where are you guys? Thanks, guys. Thanks for fixing me up. I really appreciate it. Remember to say hello to security team from me. Have a nice day, guys.
Mega machines, like people, come in many different shapes and sizes. And they all have their uses. Sometimes they dig for treasure. Hi, I'm Trevor. Oh yeah, first time. Gosh dang it. I need 7 bars. Woohoo! Gotcha. Six to go. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh. Well, all right, here it comes! There we go. Let's keep on trucking. I need 5 more. All right, 2 down. Whew. Only 3 more bars to go. This is a tricky one. Gotcha. Two more down. Nearly there. I just need 1 more. Oh, I found 3. Oh no, they slipped right through my fingers. Let's try it again. Oh. Second time lucky. This is very difficult, but I'm not giving up. I can do this. Gotcha. Done. I wonder how Greg the Spinner is doing.
Hey, I'm Greg the Spinner. Here they go. Are you ready? It's spinning time! My scope is 6 meters long. I can fit so much stuff in it. Now, back the other way. All right, let's stop before they get too dizzy. Well, that was fun, guys. Catch you next time. I wonder how lofty the crane is doing.